This video is the first in the Home Automation Kit video series. In this video, we'll set up the IoT board and connect it to the internet. When online, we'll stream the temperature and light intensity measured by the board. Connect the kit through USB. When the kit is booted up, it appears as a flash drive named Curiosity. In here, we find several useful files. For now, we are only concerned ourselves with the clickme.htm file. Open it and you'll be redirected to AVI IoT landing page. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials and press Download Configuration. This downloads a wi-fi.cfg file. Drag and drop this file onto the Curiosity drive to connect it to the internet. If everything went well, the board now shows a solid blue light, indicating it is online. Wait for the landing page to update and we can see the two graphs, namely the temperature and light data. You can try this out by blocking the light sensor by holding your hand over it. We see the light graph react accordingly. The board also provides a simple command line interface to read debug messages and send commands. To open the command line interface, we use the MPLAB Data Visualizer. Link to download can be found in the description. When opening the Data Visualizer, find the board on the left-hand side and press the play button. On the bottom right, find the source under Input and select the COM port. Press Enter in the line input and a list of commands should be echoed back. You can try different commands such as key to get the public key of the board and version to get the firmware's version. If you're having problems connecting to the device, you might have an old debugger firmware on the board. To upgrade the firmware, install and open Atmos Studio. Open the device programmer and hit apply. If there is a newer version of the debugger available, it will prompt an update.